Hey friends, if you wish to change the scaling for specific apps on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us say this is the app Google Chrome. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties, go to the compatibility tab, click on change high DPI settings, and this is from where you can change scaling. You'll have to check this box. Use the setting to fix scaling problems for this thing. Open advanced scaling settings, and now you can change it for all the values. But if you want to change it for the app only, then select this option high DPI scaling override, and then select it for application, and then click on OK, and then click on OK once again. Now it has become application specific. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.